Welcome to Cooking for You. We have eaten up many different flavors of cake. Pineapple, chocolate, Oreo cake, Parle-G biscuit cake also we have eaten. But today we are going to make a cake which is also a healthy one, and that is carrot cake. Sounds so different, right? So let's go and check out the video how to make carrot cake at home. Let's start making a carrot cake at home. For this, we need curd of 1 cup. We are adding oil to it for around 3 to 4 tablespoons. Mix them well. Here we are mixing it with a mixer, and here we are adding icing sugar. Mix them up. Mix it so correctly that no lumps should be left. Now here this whisking process is quite hard. Baking soda of 1 tablespoon, baking powder, vanilla essence as per your taste. That's it. Mix without lumps. Make sure no lumps to be left out. We are adding maida of 1 cup. Again mix this oil. Let it be slow, but make sure no lumps to be left back. If you have a hand blender, then that is a plus point, or use a hand mixer to mix it. Now we have chopped carrot or grinded carrot. Add this to the mixture and again mix it up perfectly. That's it, the batter is ready. Now let's check the cooking process. We are taking in a mold. We have already applied it with a butter paper, and now we have adjusted in the mold. Now here we are using no oven cake. We are preheating the pan and adjusting it and covering up with the lid. So you can see you can make this without oven also. For around we have cooked it for 15 minutes, and with the help of toothpick you can check it's cooked or not, and simply give a gentle flip, pat it up and take out your beautiful cake. You can see how beautiful and perfectly the cake is done. Give it any shape you like, and if you like you can adjust it, and you can also decorate it with using whipped cream or any other chocolate syrups and all. So the cake is beautifully done. You can see how spongy and perfect it is. So try it. Thank you.